Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Nintendo Switch is having sound but no picture issue which is happening for few of the users and how we can fix this up. Let's dive into the workaround. The first one is all about when you are having this particular trouble, all we have to do is we just need to hard reset your Nintendo Switch. So to do a hard reset on a Nintendo Switch, we have to press and hold the power button over here. You have to press and hold the power button for 12 seconds. So it will be like a hard reset. And once after the hard reset, you have to check whether you are having still the same issue. There is sound is there, but there is no image. If you are still having the issue, then you can try with the next possible workaround. Next one is all about you have to check the AC adapter, which means you have to check your chargers and you have to cross check whether the charger is not working fine or not. If the charger is damaged, or if the charger, if especially more in cases if it is a third party charger, you will be definitely having a lot of trouble. So keep in mind you have to check the charger, and also after checking the charger, if it is working fine, then you just need to reset the AC adapter. So resetting the AC adapter is all you have to put in your charger into a dock. Now from there you have to connect it into your Nintendo Switch. Once afterwards, you just need to unplug it and wait for 13 seconds. Afterwards, just connect it back and turn on the Nintendo Switch. This is what a reset AC adapter is all about. So for many of the users, when the reset AC adapter is working, it did help them to fix many of these issues. So you can try this particular step as well. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to update the software. So to update the software, we have to go over here in the system settings, tap on system settings. Now from here, we have to scroll down and navigate to system over here. There is an option called system update. Just tap on the system update. So check for the software update, and if you are having any update, just update the Nintendo Switch OS. So right now we are in the middle of video, so I'm gonna skip this part, but those who are having the update, just update it. Once afterwards, you just need to go back and try the game over here and see whether the issue is solved or not. Last one is all about we need to check the cables, because sometimes the cable even causes the issue up. So you can check the cable. If you are having any doubt with the cables, and if the cable is working fine and the Nintendo Switch is also works fine when you look at the physically, you can book an appointment with talk to the Nintendo Switch support team. They will be helping guys out, or you can book a technician and you can talk to them as well. So this is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.